2026 is shaping up to be one of the most transformative years for entrepreneurs. Technology is evolving fast, consumer behavior is shifting, and new markets are opening up every single day. But here's the truth most people don't realize. The next wave of millionaires will be the people who position themselves early, not the ones who wait. So in today's video, I'll show you the top 5 business ideas to build in 2026, ideas with real demand, low competition, and high future growth potential. Let's get started. 1. AI-powered service agency. Artificial intelligence is no longer a trend, it's the new engine of business. In 2026, small businesses, hospitals, schools, and even government offices will need one thing: AI integration. But most of them don't know how to use AI tools. This is where you come in. An AI-powered service agency helps businesses automate customer support, build AI chatbots, create AI-driven marketing content, analyze data, save time and costs. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need to learn the tools, package the service, and sell it. This business is exploding, and 2026 is the perfect time to step in before it becomes saturated. 2. Digital product business. Digital products are one of the highest profit businesses on the planet. You create something once and sell it forever. In 2026, digital products will dominate because more people are learning online. What can you sell? Ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, digital planners, business guides, coding templates, AI-generated assets. The startup cost? Almost nothing. The profit margin? Nearly 100%. And the best part? You can build this business from your phone with no office, no inventory, and no shipping. 3. Short-form content agency. In 2026, attention is the new currency and businesses are desperate for it. Brands know that short-form content is the fastest way to grow online. But here's the problem: they don't know how to create it consistently. A short-form content agency creates TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels. 4. Businesses, coaches, real estate agents, restaurants, influencers, startups. The industry is booming because businesses want content daily, not monthly. If you can script, edit, and deliver engaging videos, you can charge $500 to $3,000 per month per client. Even with just 5 clients, you're earning serious income. This is one of the most realistic ways to build a profitable business in 2026. 4. Health and wellness tech business. Health is becoming digital. People want personalized solutions for fitness, mental health, stress management, sleep improvement, nutrition. This opens up huge opportunities. In 2026, you can build a business around digital fitness programs, mental wellness apps, AI-based fitness coaching, customized meal planning using AI, meditation and mindfulness content. People are spending more money on preventive health than ever before. If you enter this space early. 5. Sustainable home business. People are becoming increasingly aware of how their daily choices affect their health, their finances, and the environment around them. The way we live, what we buy, and the products we choose to support are all shifting toward cleaner, safer, and more sustainable alternatives. Sustainability is no longer a passing trend or a niche movement. It has become a global standard and a long-term necessity. As climate concerns grow and resources become more limited, both consumers and companies are demanding better solutions that protect the planet while still delivering convenience and quality. This shift has created a massive opportunity for new entrepreneurs. In 2026, some of the most profitable and fast-growing eco-friendly businesses include solar installation consultancy, sustainable fashion brands, reusable household products, eco-friendly packaging solutions, natural and organic skincare lines, and home recycling or waste management services. These business ideas not only reduce environmental impact but also meet the rising demand from customers who want to live responsibly without sacrificing comfort or style. Solar consulting businesses help homeowners and companies transition to renewable energy, saving money while reducing carbon footprints. Sustainable fashion focuses on long-lasting, ethically produced clothing as people move away from fast fashion. Reusable home essentials such as bottles, bags, containers, and cleaning alternatives are becoming everyday necessities. Eco-friendly packaging is in high demand as businesses look for ways to reduce plastic waste. Natural skincare is booming because consumers want clean, chemical-free products that support healthy living. And household recycling services are expanding as families search for practical ways to manage waste more effectively. These industries are growing rapidly because they solve real problems and align with global values. People want alternatives that benefit both them and the planet, and they're willing to pay for sustainable solutions. Even better, many governments are now offering grants, tax incentives, and business support programs for entrepreneurs who build environmentally conscious startups. For anyone looking to start a future-proof business in 2026, the sustainability sector offers one of the strongest and most promising paths forward. These are the top 5 business ideas to build in 2026, ideas backed by strong data, future demand, and massive earning potential. The world is changing, technology is shifting, and the economy is evolving. But here's the good news: if you take action now, not next month, not next year, you can build a business that gives you freedom, income, and impact. The future belongs to the people who prepare today. So the question is, which idea are you starting with? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more content on success, business growth, and entrepreneurship.